To publish a website on Canva is fairly simple. So say for example, you've already created your brand new website and you wish to be able to publish it. Doing so is fairly simple. So let's go ahead and just create our website quickly. Let's just use one of these templates. Now you can see here, this is the current website that I wish to publish. So all I need to do is simply select the option, Publish Website. From here, now I need to go ahead and set it up. So you can see how it looks like in the preview. You can even just press on this button right here to open it up in full screen. Then from here, you can choose whether you want to resize it on mobile or not. And you can switch between the different view formats so that you can be able to see how it looks like on mobile and how it looks like on PC. You can also choose to include or exclude a navigation menu. It's completely up to you. And then again, you can just look how it looks like in the preview and if you want to keep it or not. You can also scroll even further down and select settings like so. You can go a step further by enabling search engine visibility. You can choose to turn on password protection and a social media link preview. When you're happy with how it looks like so far, you can always just select continue to publish. And then now all you need to do is simply select publish. Before you go even further, you do need to give your website a URL. So this is just the domain that it's going to be using. So whenever someone searches it, it pops up. So go ahead and just enter in your domain name. If you've saved one, you can go ahead and use it. And then you can go ahead and select publish. And now someone will be able to see your website. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.